first of all we need to make the kofta lamb meatballs for the curry. So you need the minced lamb into the grinder here. Get it all in. Next we have various other ingredients like the fried chopped onions. So they go in. We have seasonings, so we have some salt. We also have the pepper, the ground pepper. We have green chilies, which we put in as well. These are medium hot. We have chopped garlic, goes in. And very important, we have the chopped up coriander. So, just give this a little stir, mix them up in the grinder. If you have a grinder, it's even better. I have more of a blender here, so we put this on top. Right, so here we have the paste that we have created, and we add the remaining ingredients before we actually shape the meatballs. So we have here some breadcrumbs, we have some red chili flakes, give it a bit of a kick, and we have some whisked egg. So what I'll do is I'll mix all this up and bind it nicely together. Right, I have now made all the meatballs, as you can see. They're roughly equal size, but doesn't matter if they're not exactly the same. I'm going to pop them in the freezer for 30 minutes, which should make it easier for cooking in the next stage. Right, now the meatballs have come out of the freezer, so they're a little bit more solid than they were before. So you take it and put it in the oil in the pan, like this. Now I'm going to put in another one. And basically you will cook all the meatballs, you can do it in stages if you want, until they're fully cooked. After about 20 minutes they should be fully cooked. You can see these look lovely and brown now, although it's always worth cutting one with a knife just to make sure that it's fully cooked inside. The cooking times will depend on the size of the meatballs. Now add to the frying pan oil some whole spices. I've got here some cloves, bay leaves, also some cardamom and cinnamon. So just in the hot oil, fry these for a while. Now I'm adding the ginger garlic paste. And I'm going to fry this on a low heat for about 2 minutes. So after about 2 minutes you can add the brown onion paste. Now this paste I made by frying some onions until they were golden and then giving them a whiz in the processor with some yogurt. So that's what I'm adding now, and I'm going to cook this for 2 minutes. Right, now I'm adding the tomato puree. So I'm going to give it a good stir, and once again I'm going to be cooking this on a low heat for another 2 minutes. That should be enough. Right, now it's time to add some of the other spices. So I've got here a little turmeric. Now we've got some red chili powder. Also, I'll add a bit more of that. Then we've got coriander. There we are. And finally, we've got some cumin. So, a nice collection of spices here. And that's to add to what we've already got. Once again, give it a bit of a stir and cook over a low heat for another 2 to 3 minutes. That will be enough. Okay, now I'm going to add a little bit of salt. I don't like too much salt, so that's probably enough. I'm adding yet another spice, this time garam masala. So this is just added like before. Just stir it up a little bit. So now the next stage is to add some water. So we just basically pour some water in. This is what will turn the curry sauce into a lovely sauce in which we'll be able to put the meatballs later on when this has been cooked. So you can see now the spices are dissolving into the water and it's turning a very rich golden brown colour, and I can tell you the smell coming from this is wonderful. So there we are. So we'll carry on with this for a couple of minutes. Now put the meatballs into the curry gravy and put the lid on, cooking or heating up for a further 10 minutes. Right, now that's been cooked through, we add this cashew nut paste, which I'm just going to stir into the curry gravy. So just stir it, and then we can add some of the coriander leaves, which I had from earlier. So that's basically it. So really, now it's a matter of eating it, and I'm sure we'll enjoy it.